Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chase mobile app and activate card step by step clearly. To install the Chase mobile app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Chase Mobile. Press the search button to find the app. Locate the Chase mobile app from the search results. Tap the Get or Install button to download the app. Once the download is complete, open the app. You will be prompted to sign in or enroll. If you already have a Chase account, enter your username and password. If you're a new user, select the option to enroll. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your enrollment. Now that you're signed in, let's activate your card. Locate your Chase card and ensure it's with you. In the app, tap on the Account tab. Select Card Services. Look for the option that says Activate Card. Tap on Activate Card to begin the process. Enter your card number when prompted. You may also need to provide other details such as the last 4 digits of your social security number. Follow any additional instructions on the screen. After completing the activation steps, you should receive a confirmation. Your card is now activated and ready for use. Take a moment to explore other features of the Chase mobile app. Congratulations! You have successfully installed the Chase mobile app and activated your card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.